Hello everyone, welcome to my course Make Money with Facebook Ads, Facebook pages. So today I have complete my first model with 6 lecture and we will start today our second model Facebook pages in stream ad monetization. In this model we have 3 lectures. First, how to complete 10k followers on Facebook in stream ad monetization. All you know, for Facebook monetization, if you want to monetize your Facebook page, then you need 2 things. First, you need 10k followers or page likes on your page, and second thing, you need 6 lakh views on your videos on your Facebook page. So how we can complete these? So today we will cover this lecture, how to complete 10k followers or likes on your Facebook page. There is 2 ways, one fake way and one real way. So we will check the fake way, how you can complete 10k followers. So open the Google and type by Facebook followers or likes. Here is many websites you will found. For example, this is this website instafollowers.co. We will check here what is the rate in this website, and this is the socialkings.in, and any other thousand of websites available. You can buy very cheap rate the Facebook likes if you want to fake likes. So this is the rate of these website. This is very costly. I think this is very costly. So I don't recommend this website because they take $14 for only 500 followers. This is very high rate. We need cheap rate followers. So I close and check here Social Kings. What is the price of this website for Facebook pages likes? Facebook fan page likes here, and these are rates. So here you can buy Indian Facebook likes and buy USA Facebook likes, but remember, these are likes from bots. This is not real likes. So you can check here the price of this website. This website takes $78 for 5,000 page likes. We need 10,000. So here is the rate. 10,000 Facebook likes. This website take $142. I think it's also very high rate. We need cheap rate. So I close this website, and here we will check Facebook services, and what is the rate. For example, this is the, but it's also very high rate. 50 likes they take $1. So we will check other website. Here is thousands of website, millions of website you will found on Google, and you can buy very cheap likes. I saw on Facebook groups many people's complete likes from these type of websites, and they complete Facebook followers and sell pages on the groups. So here you can check the price of Facebook. This is the 1,000 likes. They take $75. $75 for 1000 likes. So it's also very high rate. But this way of if you want to bot likes for monetization, Facebook also accept bot likes for monetization, but I don't recommend you to get bot likes to complete your 10k followers. I recommend, if you want to complete 10k follower, you must run ad on Facebook, because these are the all real likes. These are real likes. So open your page. For example, this is my Facebook page, Luto Lover, and here you need to go create ad and go to promote your page. Click here, and this is the your ad looking like this, but we need some changes for the run our Facebook ad. First of all, I want to tell you something. If you want to cheap likes, if you want to very cheap likes, then you must need run ad on your Facebook India. Target these countries, India and Pakistan, number 3, Bangladesh, this 3 country, and these 3 country. If you target these countries, then you will get very cheapest like. For example, in $1 you will get minimum 100 of likes, 100 plus likes in if you run your ad in these countries. Bangladesh, after that Myanmar, Burma, and Indonesia, and Thailand also cheap. Thailand and Bhutan, Africa. These countries, if you run your Facebook ad for the followers or likes, then must target these countries. Any of country you can target. What is you can get benefit? Here page like rate are very cheap, very cheap. If you invest $1, then you can get 100 to 200 likes only in $1. So you can calculate how you will invest for 10,000 followers or like same. So these countries you can run your Facebook ad for likes. So we will create here our ad and we will target India. So first, what we need to change? We need to keep here a viral picture or viral thumbnail. For example, if I want to run my ad in India, so what is popular in India? For example, if you want to run in any country, Germany, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Bangladesh, Pakistan, or any other countries, for example, these Indonesia, any of country you want to run your ad, you must need to search on Google what is the popular in this country. For example, which film actor is popular. So I will search here popular film stars 2021. So we will search here. These are, I think, overall Google show me these film stars in the world, but I need in India because I want to run in India. So we can check here. Bollywood actors, watch out. Nomination or so here we can check here. These three actors very popular in India right now. Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, Mr. Akshay Kumar and Mr. Aamir Khan. So we will target Shah Rukh Khan. It's better because this film star is very popular in India right now. If I make a thumbnail or image using this photo Shah Rukh Khan, then I will get very cheapest like. How to do it? Go to Google and search Shah Rukh Khan and go to images and write here PNG. So we need a PNG image of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. So I think it's good picture. So we save this image first here, and now you need to go this website remove.bg. Remove.bg. This is very good website. Here we upload the picture of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan here, and this website remove the background within a second. Oh, I got wrong image. So go to again. I think this is Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Okay. Right now this website remove background of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan within a second. So this is the good image. I will download from here. This is the download, and now I go to again Google and write here Facebook page banner thing. Okay, so we need to take a banner from here and we will edit the cover photo. This is the size, exactly size 851 into 305. So now you need to open this software Photoscape and go to editor and go to menu and new photo. We check again 851 into 851 into what is the height, 315. This is the size, and we take background red. Okay, this is the Facebook page size, this size, or where is go my page, this is the size for example. So here what we need to keep here picture, go to object, select photo and go to where is Mr. This is the removed background picture of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Click open and take this picture here and keep smaller here. Okay, now we need to write something here. So we will type in Google Translate. Go here and type like this: if you like Shah Rukh Khan, like this page for it's for Shah Rukh fans. This is the best mislead option. So if you like to Shah Rukh Khan, like this page, it's for Shah Rukh fans. So I put it here near in Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Of copy again, copy and go to here, Control V, paste here and take color of yellow, and this is the, we will check what is the size. This is very big size, so we need to some smaller. Okay, and also we need some smaller because it's not showing. This is the good thing. If you like Shah Rukh Khan, like this page, it's for Shah Rukh fans. So keep here, and now we need like button. Like button Facebook PNG. This is the good, and we will download this image from here, like button, and also we need to remove the background of the like image. Upload the image here. Where is the photo? I think this one. Go to download again. I think this one. No, this one. Like button. Okay. Now we need to remove the background of the like button. The background is removable already, and now click on download. This is our picture. For identify, I write here PNG. Okay, so open the Photoscape and copy the click on photo. Go here and take this image here. Okay, now click to smaller. Smaller. Okay, this type. Now we need to save this image. Save and save as, and we will keep it the FB banner. We will save in the download section, so we can easily upload. Okay, now it's okay. Now you need to go on your Facebook page. Go here and click on edit option, choose image, or upload new. It's better upload new. Click here and this is the Facebook banner, and check. This is the good things, but it's some cutting from here, so we need to some smaller. So go to here and change the font size. It's 20. Now we will keep 18. It's okay, and we keep this button here. Here is okay. Okay, now it's good. And we will check the image of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan also cutting from here. So we need to some smaller to Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. It's okay. This is the mislead picture, you know, this is the mislead picture. If you using this mislead picture, then you will get many of likes in very cheapest rate. So we will check again, upload new, go to FB banner and upload here. Now you need to check. Now it's okay. Here if you like Shah Rukh Khan, like this page, it's for Shah Rukh Khan fans, and here is like button. So it's a good example to mislead people. Now we need to change this line from here. So we will keep these line from copy and paste here and check if you like Shah Rukh Khan, like this page for Shah Rukh fans. So this is the best lines, and your image, mislead image is okay. Now you need to select audience. So click on create new. Here what you need, here you don't need select any audience, only you need to select 13 to 65 and keep audience name, for example AA. This is the audience name. Only you need to keep 13 to 65 and don't select any interest. Only select location, India. Only you need to select location and age group. Not select any other things. Only keep audience name, select age group 13 to 65. This is the very cheapest like, and location select this is the India country, and no need to target any other thing, and click to save this audience. Now you have saved the audience, and now you need to run your Facebook ad. So this is the 5 day. I down this for 3 days, and we will keep the budget. For example, 1,800. I will keep the 400. Okay, 400 rupees for 3 days. Okay, and this ad almost is done. Now you need to click on promote now. If you click on promote now, then your ad will be run. Now this asking for payment, and if you want to pay from anything, you can pay to Facebook and add your run. Only you need to click on promote. This is the best way you can mislead the people of cheap Facebook likes. These are all original likes. These are all original likes. I was doing many times this method. So here you can check viral Facebook photos. Also you can target any viral picture from Facebook, but I recommend you need to search on Google what is the popular thing on your country. If you want to run ad in India, then select any of popular person in the India and create this type of banner and run your ad. These are the best thing. If you target the Pakistan, you need to keep here picture of Mr. Imran Khan. Prime Minister of Pakistan. If you target any other country, then you need to only search on Google what is the popular in that country. For example, here we again search again top 5 actress in USA. These are all actress, these popular actress in the United States. If you want to run your ad in United States, then you need to use his picture, because his are the very popular actress in the United States. If you using that these pictures, then you will get very cheapest like on Facebook ad, and you can target the age 13 to 65. For example, now you need to search in Russia, for example, Russia. Russia, top 5 actors in Russia, Russian actors. You can check here. All pictures are available on Google. Only you need to go remove.bg and remove the background and use that picture on your Facebook ad. This is the best way. If you want to target any other country, then you need to search here, for example, top 5 actors in Germany. Okay, and search on Google. These are all names of popular German actress. So this is the research way of get popular peoples from Google. These are popular peoples in that country. If you want to run your ad in India or any other country, then you need to take popular people's pictures from Google and make these type of banners and use this banner on your Facebook ad, and then you need to run your Facebook ad. You will get very cheapest likes on your Facebook ad. So this is the way of complete the 10,000 followers in very short time, real followers with Facebook ad. I hope you will like this lecture. So we will meet in next lecture.